Welcome to LivingPianos.com. Robert Estrin here, enjoying this beautiful vintage Steinway grand piano, Model M, made in 1926, completely rebuilt in 2005, and what a job on rebuilding and refinishing. It's gorgeous to behold. The action all Steinway parts with new obel hammers, and new pin block, new soundboard, regilded plate, refinished case. It's like it was when it came out of the factory. And I'm enjoying playing it. I'm wondering how you like this piano. Let's start off with some Beethoven. And I'm going to play for you the first movement, part of the first movement, starting the second half of the first movement of Beethoven's Pathetique Sonata. Ah, beautiful, inviting feel. You know, a lot of later Steinways had kind of that stiff feel. You had to push to get the tone out. Not so with these vintage Steinways. When they're masterfully rebuilt with the proper parts, you get this performance that's just hard to even describe. But a lot of people prefer these vintage instruments. So what about the other half? You know, you heard the power. Listen to the beautiful singing quality, particularly in the treble. I'm going to play the complete F-sharp nocturne of Chopin. The releases are clean. Did you hear that beautiful singing sound on the top? Wow, that's the mark of a truly fine piano. Because of the piano, you're always fighting the fact that you're playing a percussion instrument. But you would never know it with Chopin when played on a beautiful Steinway like this. Once again, I'm Robert Estrin. This is Living Pianos, your online piano store, free delivery anywhere in the continental U.S. and in-home tuning, full service. Got the beautiful bench for you. We don't leave you standing around. Once again, online piano store, LivingPianos.com, Robert Estrin. Thanks so much again for joining me and all the support of the channel. More videos coming your way.